Hello and welcome to today's class. We have this exponential challenge before us here. The question is 17 to the t minus 15 to the t equal to 64, the value of t here. So we're going to use a very swift method to solving this. All right. Now, from here we have our 17 to the t, then minus 15 to the t equal to 64, right? From here, we just have to look at the factors of 64, two of them that we can, add together to give us the summation of these two base numbers and subtract both of them again, then to give us the difference between these two numbers here. So the two factors from 64 that will give us that will be 2 and 32. And so we can rewrite our 64 as 2 and 32. So we're going to have here 17t minus 15t equal to our 2 times our 32. Easy. Good. Remember the logic here. The subtraction of this and the addition of this. So we know that if we take just this base number and this base quantity here, if we take away 15 from 17, we are going to have 2. And if we add 17 to our 15, we are going to have 32. Right? So let's go ahead and rewrite this and this in that format. So we now have our 17 to the t minus 15 to the t equal to our 17 then minus our 15 in bracket for these two, and here bracket our 17 then plus our 15 in bracket. This is for 32 because 17 plus 15 will give us 32, and this 15 from 70 will give us 2. So the expression we have here is same thing we have here, and this is same thing we have here. The left-hand side is still in order. So what we do here, recall we are having 17 to the t minus 15 to the t. So what comes to mind is difference of 2 square. Also having this. So what does the law of difference of 2 square say? It says that when you have your a to the 2, then minus b to the 2, that this is equal to your a minus your b close bracket a plus your b. This is what we call difference of 2 square, right? So we can now, this expression here is in this format. So we can take it back to this format. So this is going to give us our 17 to the t minus 15 to the t equals to our 17 to the 2 minus 15 to the 2. Now check out what we are having here now. We are having 17 to the t minus 15 to the t, and we are having 17 to the 2 minus 15 to the 2. So by comparison, okay, so you can say here by comparing, so if we compare, we're going to have our t will now be equal to our 2. This is the value of t. And if you put this into the original equation, you discover that you satisfy the original equation. This is how you solve, or one of the tricks you can use in solving for exponential equations of this kind. But if it is an OBG exam, then you can just do your, trial by error. Put in 1 year first, definitely it will not give you this. Okay, then you increase it to 2, then you get this. Okay, thank you for watching and be there. See you in our next class. Bye for now.